Hey guys, it's Zaina. So I wasn't really supposed to be posting this video, but this person said I'll trade her hair for her to give me a greet. So I'm just recording so that she doesn't scam me. So yeah, let's give her the hair. What hair should I give her? I'm gonna give her an old hair that I don't use. Okay, let's see. Most of these are VIP. I'll give her that, I guess. I don't really want that. Okay, let's see if there's another one. Yeah, I'll give her that. So she didn't scam me, she sent me a greet. So thank you XX Emma XX heart heart. Okay, I think I'm gonna post this video just to show that she doesn't scam. Thank you. Okay, so now I have loads of money so I could get another outfit. Okay, guys, my VIP ends tomorrow as well, so I might be doing a video on that. And I might have the same outfit on, I might not. Only because I've only just got this outfit and I wasn't expecting to do a video today, so yeah. Bye, see you in the next video.